So very good evening all. Sorry for certain delay. There was some technical glitch. So first and foremost is happy festivities to all of you. Instead of wishing each and every separate, festival of our Indian states, let's have a happy festivities. So आज का दिन हम लोगों को मिलता है where it is a more of a two-way conversation where your questions will be there, your specific related doubts to stocks. So आज हम वो लोग मिलकर we will try to see कि क्या charts बता रहे हैं, because I am getting a lot of DMs on a daily basis. It is impossible for me to answer each and every stock specific query. So let's get started without further delay. So you can either unmute yourself and ask your question, or I will, you can put it into the chat window. I will take it from there and you can just get started. So stage is now all yours because it's your day. I want it to be a two-way interactive conversation. So आप लोग शुरू कीजिए. We will see the charts together and see what charts are telling.
Yeah, hi, Bharat sir, Vikas here. Happy festivity to you as well.
Thanks, Vikas. Thanks a lot. Please go ahead with your question.
Yeah, Bharat sir, I had one question regarding Praj. So my question was, see, Praj has, I believe that today it has broken out the 400 levels and it was consolidating for about like 7 months. So like, can we confirm this as a breakout? I mean, particularly on a daily chart or on a weekly chart. I mean, is it a confirmed breakout signal like what we can see over here?
Yeah, so I have shared specifically प्राज का जो चार्ट है मैंने कल ही शेयर किया है on Twitter @निवेशक भरत पे. फिर भी मैं बताऊं अभी चार्ट already there because I have already seen it yesterday. So if you see, first and foremost is the breakout is valid right now. Why so? Because today was a Friday, it is a weekly close. So अगर daily close हो भी रहा है एक certain resistance या supply zone के ऊपर, लेकिन अगर वीकली क्लोज नहीं होता तो स्टिल वी कंसिडर इट एज अ कि ब्रेकआउट कंफर्मेशन नहीं हुआ. इट अगेन गेट्स प्रोलॉन्ग टू नेक्स्ट वीक या जब तक वो वीकली क्लोज नहीं देता, बिकॉज वीकली क्लोज में क्या है कि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एनी काइंड ऑफ मैनिपुलेशन और एनीथिंग गेट्स रिजॉल्व्ड, मतलब सॉर्टेड आउट. तो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि देयर इज नो चांस कि मतलब इट कैन कम टू रीटेस्ट बेस्ड ऑन द ब्रॉडर मार्केट्स. हो सकता है कि चैनल के अंदर से that nobody can tell you upfront. Can somebody unmute yourself? You are unmuted.
80 रुपए के भाव से खरीदा है, 400 रुपए पहुंचा.
क्या है ये?
प्राज.
Hello.
हमारे पास 5000 से.
Sanjay ji, I would request you to go on mute, please. Sanjay ji, I would request you to go on mute, please.
Thanks, Sanjay ji. Can you unmute yourself? Sorry, can you mute yourself? You are still Anyways, Vikas, so let's get here back to the charts. So breakout is valid because आज जो है अगर फ्राइडे का क्लोज अगर हम डेली पे भी देखते हैं तो I have already 5% के सर्किट पे था, if I remember correctly. Today I saw it in the morning. Yeah.
Yes, sir. अभी ASM 2 में है सर ये.
2 में, right. So see, as soon as it comes out of ASM, ना, you will see the same what is happening to Deepak Fertilizers या जो recent में जितने भी ASM category से बाहर आए हुए stocks, because people, smart money was waiting for quality businesses where the story is playing out. See, if at all you club fundamentals with technicals, na, it is a blend that definitely will make sure that you create wealth in the longer run, apart from your trading point of view as well. So what I share or what I feel personally is कि अगर आप टेक्नो फंडा को मिला के if you plan an observation, definitely time देर सवेर हो सकता है because markets or technical analysis cannot confirm you कि कब होगा. It definitely can give you the trend. It can definitely indicate whether momentum is there or it's lacking. But nobody in this world or technical analysis study can tell you कि कब होगा. It's just a projection what we can project based on the past trends. So breakout is confirmed for specifically for Praj as per the charts.
Yeah. Thanks, Bharat bhai. Just another question. It's for Redington India. कि उसने आज possibly 179 को एक बार छू के ना थोड़ा सा वो पुल बैक पे आया था भरत भाई. तो लाइक थोड़ा सा पीछे आ गया था, मतलब एग्जैक्टली क्रॉस नहीं कर पाया जो उसका रेजिस्टेंस आई थिंक रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है 3-4-5 महीनों से.
Yeah. So the thing is, see, अभी अगर आप देख रहे हो तो there are two ways to enter or plan an entry, right? फर्स्ट तो ये है कि आप ब्रेकआउट के पहले एंटिसिपेट कर रहे हो, बट देन यू हैव टू कीप बी रेडी फॉर अ पेशेंस विद द टाइमिंग पार्ट. अब ये जैसे मैंने अपने प्रीवियस उसमें डिस्कस किया अभी इस लास्ट क्वेश्चन में प्राज के लिए, यहाँ पे कब होगा नोबडी कैन टेल यू. यहाँ पे आने के बाद इफ एट ऑल यू सी हियर, इफ यू कम हियर ऑल्सो एंड से यहाँ पे आने के बाद अगर ब्रेकआउट ये जोन के पास, जैसे आज रिवर्सल थोड़ा सा एक पुल बैक बोल सकते हो या प्रॉफिट बुकिंग बोलो, यहाँ से आने के
जी
बाद
जी
अगर यहाँ से फिर से थोड़ी देर कंसोलिडेट करता है, फिर से हल्का सा चैनल में आता है और फिर ये ब्रेकआउट देता है, नोबडी कैन टेल यू हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू प्ले इट आउट. तो यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट. अगर पहले एंट्री पॉइंट से तो ऐसा करना चाहिए कि यू शुड प्लान योर एंट्री ओनली इफ एट ऑल यू आर श्योर के यू कैन बी पेशेंट विद द टाइमिंग पार्ट. कि अगर आप मेरे को मतलब टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं होगा, इट इज इन अ गुड ट्रेंड, मोमेंटम है, वॉल्यूम्स है, सब कुछ है, but you should be patient enough कि if at all it comes back within the channel, it comes it consolidates near the supply zone, तो वो पेशेंस होना चाहिए. नहीं तो सबसे बेस्ट जो ऑप्शन रहता है वो होता है ब्रेकआउट होने के बाद में एक पुल बैक आने दो, और अगर ब्रेकआउट के बाद पुल बैक नहीं आता तो देर इज नो पॉइंट इन चेजिंग दैट प्राइस. जस्ट मेरे को उसके सिवा, बिकॉज मार्केट इज हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज एवरी नाउ एंड देन, so you should not chase the price. That is what I will suggest. So either way which suits you, you can plan your entry accordingly. So thanks
yeah,
Vikas for your
thank you so
question.
much, Bharat bhai. Yeah,
Thanks.
yeah.
So we can have next question. Let's see the chat. There are two questions. No worries, Sanjay ji. Thank you so much for you unmuting yourself. Sorry, muting yourself. Cosmophil. Sumit Bedi. Sumit Bedi ji पूछ रहे हैं Cosmophil. Okay. तो Cosmo का chart. Sorry. Cosmophil. The packaging industry as a whole, all the key players basically are consolidating from past few days to weeks. But definitely as sector rotation क्या हो गया इस बुल रन में बहुत ज्यादा frequent हो रहा है. मतलब you even cannot anticipate कि आज ऑटोज जो है वो कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे टुवर्ड्स अपवर्ड मूवमेंट्स. एक दिन शुगर आ जाएगा, एक दिन रियलिटी आ जाएगा, एक दिन केमिकल स्टॉक्स होगा. तो द सेक्टर रोटेशन इज बिकमिंग सो फ्रीक्वेंट. So they are also getting ready, but the thing is, if you see on a weekly chart, so right now this consolidation looks like to be on the verge of breaking. तो अगर इस बारी का जो वीकली क्लोज है ये बहुत ही अच्छा क्लोज हुआ है, एंड इट इज शोइंग द अर्ली साइंस के मतलब मोमेंटम इज बैक. वॉल्यूम्स भी थोड़ा बहुत ठीक है. पैकेजिंग सेक्टर में उतना ज्यादा वॉल्यूम्स नहीं देखने को मिलता जितना कि इट्स नॉट अ मल्टी वॉल्यूम ट्रेडेड सेक्टर एज अ होल, बट इट लुक्स लाइक इट्स ऑन अ वर्ज ऑफ अ ब्रेकआउट. तो अगर हम डेली पे देखेंगे तो इट्स शोइंग यू दैट ओके इट हैज गिवन अ ब्रेकआउट. बट लेट्स वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक. Once the breakout is done, then probably it is the pattern target turns out to be like nearly 400 points from here. If at all any breakout above 1700 can take it as a pattern milestone towards 2100 in the days to come. So BSc Sumit Bedi. Okay, Apollo Hospitals. Jagannath Rauji is saying. All the three, I think, request you to go through the Twitter, timeline of ours as well, because most of these stocks are we have discussed in the recent past. तो BSc को देखते हैं एक बार. सुमित बेदी जी की रिक्वेस्ट है. So BSc on a daily chart पे दिखा रहा है कि it's just given trying to give a breakout above this consolidation zone. लेकिन अभी भी मैं मतलब बेसिक इमीडिएट रेजिस्टेंस या जो जहां से थोड़ा सप्लाई दिख रहा है अगर वो है 2100 के आसपास का जोन. सो अगर एक क्लोज 2100 के ऊपर हमें डेली पे भी मिल जाता है तो स्टिल वी कैन बी श्योर के एटलीस्ट दिस ऑल द सप्लाई और द कंसोलिडेशन जोन के आसपास जितना भी टाइम इसने बिताया है दैट इज नाउ एंड कंफर्म टू बी एंडिंग, एंड देन इट कैन रिक्लेम इट्स प्रीवियस ऑल टाइम हाई. So let it confirm a close above, because यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो डेली पे है और वीकली पे भी दिखेगा ये चीज बहुत ही ज्यादा, तो वीकली पे भी इसको ये थोड़ा रेजिस्टेंस जोन है, डेली पे यू कैन सी इट क्लियरली. Polo Hospital is again testing the patients. अभी सब high beta is running. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा Apollo Hospital में you are still seeing the consolidation. So it needs to take out this immediate supply zone. यहाँ पे law of polarity काम करेगा. So the previous support is now acting as a resistance for it. So till the time 5150 का close या 5200 के ऊपर का close नहीं मिलता, तो at least momentum is still, you know, lagging here. View on Birlasoft and Happy Minds. उमेश ये बोल रहा है. Birlasoft तो बहुत ही relative strength अच्छी दिखा रहा है पूरे मतलब जितना भी turbulence था recent में markets का, उसके ऊपर it is being showing the wonderful relative strength. पूरे IT pack में भी अच्छा relative strength दिखा रहा है Birlasoft. So right now it looks like it is going to retest the breakout, which is a good sign. In fact अगर daily पे देख रहे हैं तो आज के यहाँ से इसने थोड़ा सा पुल बैक भी रिवर्सल भी दिखाया है, यहाँ से लोअर एंड पे बाइंग आया है. और अगर बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे देखते हैं तो यस डेफिनेटली इट्स अ वंडरफुल. द मोर इफ इट ऑल इफ कंसोलिडेट्स ना, उतना ज्यादा अच्छा है इसके नेक्स्ट यू नो लेग ऑफ अप मूव के लिए. सो वन साइडेड अगर रहेगा तो इट इज यू नो इवन moving very far away from its moving averages also, which is again, you know, the price is leading the no, so काफी दूर है अभी भी मूविंग एवरेज से. आई विल से कि इफ एट ऑल लेट इट कम टिल यहाँ पे कोइंसाइड भी हो रहा है, कॉन्फ्लुएंस भी मिलेगा आपको 21 पीरियड मूविंग एवरेज का भी, और अगर ये रीटेस्ट करने आता दिस शुड बी द बेस्ट जोन टू स्टार्ट. एटलीस्ट 540 से 520 के लिए इट शुड बी अ गुड कंसोलिडेशन जोन. So yes, next, if anybody has any question, they can unmute, they can put it into the chat window.
Hi,
We
Bharat. Yeah, Ram here. Yeah,
Ram.
thanks for
Please.
your charts. It's really nice. So, my question is on Maxwell. So, I made it for BTST. So I bought it around 452. On the same day itself, in 2 minutes, 10 points, it was down. And then I'm holding it, somewhat good amount of quantity. So I'm not really sure I'm holding it. I have taken it for trading, but now I become investor for that.
So it's
any
not.
suggestion
Yeah.
to do
I got it.
BTST?
I got your question. So basically, see, Ram, I'm not the correct person to be sharing my observations of charts on a very ultra short-term basis. What I will suggest you is, it's not your story only. ये सबकी कहानी है कि we enter as a trader, और अगर वो trade हमारे direction में नहीं जाता, against जाता, तो we become investors. This is a very common story. You are not including me also at times. It would have happened in the past. But I will suggest you, see, first and foremost is you should be pretty much clear within your mind. This is nothing related to technical analysis or stocks, which I'm going to talk about right now. This is more of a mindset or a psychology understanding. So there has to be a compartment within your brain only to segregate whether you are entering any particular transaction you are doing as a trading or an investment. Before upfront, once you are done with your homework part, to plan an entry into any sort of your investment or a trading script, then this will reduce your dilemma once you are into execution stage. Secondly, if at all you have taken it as a trading, then you should have put a stop loss at the place while trading. So that stop loss, if it would have triggered, there was no point actually, because you took it as a trading. So you should have not continued to hold it if at all it has been purely a trading perspective for you. So now after this, let's see the charts, what is telling. So see, if at all you see here the breakout happened. So it's nearby to the breakout retest zone. And secondly, यहाँ पे जो है 21 day period moving average के आसपास ही है, which is itself is saying कि अगर इसके नीचे close continuously देता है next week भी, then you should be thinking about, if at all you have the patience to hold, the script is very good, the business is very good. Only thing is that right now the unlock theme is playing out, your high beta sectors are performing well. That's why you're seeing some sort of suppression or some price action not up to the mark in the diagnostic or medical space. तो वही reason है, Apollo, Fortis, Max, सब में, या even Dr. Lal, your Metropolis, all these are going through the similar thing. So till the time, if you are a patient person and you can hold it out, the business is good. Fundamentally, it's a very good business. So if at all you have the patience to hold it, because time-wise we cannot say when it will happen, but it's in a strong momentum technically. Right now, that momentum is looking a bit, getting slowed down. So be patient with this. You will definitely see the previous all-time high, in the coming days. This is all what I can suggest.
Thanks, Bharat. And one more thing on BDL and HAL, right? So those are all different scripts, and we are awaiting the budget also, correct? So, like,
Correct.
is it good in charts as per you?
See,
BDL.
see, these are all, every time these come into play whenever we are, having this budget, as you rightly pointed out. What I will say is, see, if at all this is again my perspective, I might be wrong and it might not suit you. What I will say is, if at all you are seeing certain stocks, certain sectors which are in high momentum, and if you are purely a trader, then you should have a very much, process in place for the stock selection also. Your stock selection contributes a lot into your performance. And I have seen that mostly majority of us, don't put that kind of, effort or, that kind of, what we call it as, मतलब उस पे हम उतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं कि stock selection is also a key part of your win or lose in trading. So I will say BEML, ये सब stories है, मतलब they have got a very much, if you enter, if something is not favorable coming into the budget, or people are not at all, that much proactive, and you have taken a positional for a say swing or positional thing, it is taking time. Either your patience will be tested, or might be, if at all you get stuck at a higher price, it might be some story. So personally, I don't prefer PSU of any sort apart from your banks, SBI or anything personally. But if specifically you want it, view from my end on a BEML, it is already there because I think I have made
Sorry,
some.
it's on BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL.
Both are HAL and BDL, both are even public sectors only. Sorry for BEML. See, again, it is in a very high consolidation zone since, days or months, even you can call it. It has to break this consolidation, which is, it is looking like it can break based on this assumption that, okay, we are nearby to the budget. So if at all purely based on price action, I can say that it is a nearly $100. It is showing as a pattern milestone. If at all it moves favorably into the upward direction on the consolidation breach, it can see its previous high of 80 to 500 based on the news flows above also, if something is favorable announced in the budget. But don't play it on a event basis. It can turn out to be on the both sides, right?
No, I have experienced the same with Sriram Transport. There was a demerger news, right? So I bought it around 1,400 or something. And yeah, I did not average because I don't have a confidence that like when it will come up and all. So
Okay.
the same thing, I got stuck there. Yeah.
So better,
Any view on Sriram Transport? Yeah,
which one?
Sriram Transport Finance.
It's again consolidating. I saw it, Shriram,
SRT Transfin, right? Yeah.
SRTR, SRTR. See, it has basically lost its entire momentum. I will say personally, मतलब अभी stay away from it till the time it regains its momentum and all that. You would have to have a lot of patience to, it's on the lower channel. Again, breakout retest also, it has broken even your strong support zone, it has come down. I will personally prefer, matlab, market is showing you a lot of momentum scripts. If you are specifically a trader, from a trader perspective, at least this should not be in your filter criteria for the stock selection, what I personally feel. It will require your patience actually.
Thanks a lot, Bharat. It was really helpful.
Thanks a lot. There are a lot of questions in the chat window as well.
So,
Yeah, may I know who's this?
so can I get view on Happiest Mind and iBull Real Estate
Okay, Dharya. Okay.
for long term? Yeah, for long term, I have bought Happiest Mind at 390 and iBull Real Estate at 150.
Okay, so you just give me a sec. I've opened the chart. See,
Okay, sir. Okay.
it's nearby to its supply zone, basically. If you see already it is plotted. See, right now it looks like that entire consolidation might be nearby to end, but until and unless it gives you a weekly close, I will say if at all you are a long-term investor, no, preferably you should be focused more on a weekly close, because you are not in a hurry
Okay,
or
sir.
you're not searching for price to dip or plan your short-term entries for this. If you are a long-term investor, wait for a weekly close above this range, or preferably this range will definitely give you, because again there are a lot of resistances in this zone also. And so it's better. See, you can pay more price, but that will give you some sort of certainty. If you are fundamentally, if you are having a fundamental backup of this script, personally, what I know is it's a very much the valuations are not supportive. That's why it's consolidated. It has run a lot. If you go on a weekly chart, it has run a lot. So, and valuations were too much stretched out. That's why you are seeing a lot of consolidation, which is a good sign. So if you have your own
Okay.
rationale for entry and it it is again not a challenge at this point in time, wait for a weekly close above 1350 to 1400, and you can start nibbling above that if at all your rationale of entry is intact.
Yes. Okay. And iBull Real Estate, I have bought at 150.
Yeah, IB real estate I have covered, I think, in our previous some connects also. The management change has happened. That is where it is showing signs of revival. Yeah, so it's also consolidating at this point in time. It has been respecting this trend line since a long time, which I think mentioned some time back also. This is for your long-term investment you are asking, or for short-term perspective?
For midterm, medium term.
This is a kind of, strong resistance nearby 188, or you can call it as round figure 200. So 200, if at all it closes above that, then probably it has got a decent potential to see, but for medium term, it can perform definitely well, because fundamentally, the management change is, igniting the story back, and it can see, let it close above 200. Again, these sort of, then preferably, if at all you can have a better stock selection, it will be the best what I can suggest. It can see some sort of volatility again. It's a high beta script.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, Sun Pharma, Pranay. So Pranay is saying Sun Pharma has given a decent breakout. I just posted yesterday only, and today also it has given a decent breakout. I posted the chart also for Sun Pharma yesterday.
Yes, sir. I am asking because I was also totally bullish on it, and based on your suggestion, also I was double confirmed. But the way it has closed today, na, I thought little bit hazy about it.
So see the same chart यही कल post किया था. So let's go to the daily chart. ये weekly पे अच्छा काफी अच्छा close है. It's just on the verge of a previous resistance. Daily पे भी वहीं पे. It looks bullish. See, there are two possibilities. It can happen in the next week. पहली पॉसिबिलिटी तो ये है कि इट्स लाइक इट कैन कम एंड रीटेस्ट दिस ट्रेंड लाइन अगेन, ठीक है। तो पहला पॉसिबिलिटी इट कैन बी दिस थिंग, और सेकंड थिंग इज इफ एट ऑल द ब्रेकआउट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ, सो इट कैन बी टेकन कि यहाँ पे भी इफ यू आर सीइंग नीचे का विक दिख रहा है अगर आज के क्लोज पे डेली के, इट मींस यहाँ से बाइंग आया है। सो इट कैन बी कंफर्म कि ब्रेकआउट हुआ इस कैंडल में कल, और आज उसका रीटेस्ट भी हो गया एंड इट कैन रिज्यूम इट्स अपवर्ड जर्नी। सो बी विजिलेंट विद द प्राइस एक्शन, जो चार्ट मंडे को या नेक्स्ट वीक में जो भी दिखाता है, बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू कैन थिंक इफ इट ऑल इट्स प्योरली अ ट्रेडिंग पर्सपेक्टिव।
ठीक है सर। सर सांगवी मोटर भी देख लीजिए प्लीज एक बार, सांगवी मूवर सॉरी।
श्योर श्योर। पहले बड़े टाइम फ्रेम से देखते हैं सो दैट इट विल बी इजियर कि चल क्या रहा है। इस सांगवी मूवर का भी ये है कि इट इज अ रिवाइविंग स्टोरी लग रहा है चार्ट के बेसिस पे। ये एक इमीडिएटली जो है सप्लाई जोन दिख रहा है, सो टिल द टाइम इट इज नॉट बीइंग टेकन आउट ऑन अ वीकली क्लोजिंग बेसिस, वहीं से देखो वहीं से रिवर्स मारा है। आई सी थिंग इज अगेन इट्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सप्लाई जोन ऑफ मल्टी वीक्स एंड मल्टी ईयर्स काइंड ऑफ, काफी टाइम का स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है। तो लेट इट क्लोज अबाउट 280 फॉर अ फर्दर व्यू अपॉन इट। 280 के ऊपर जाएगा तो एटलीस्ट मोमेंटम स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा, और पूरा जो रेजिस्टेंस जोन है वो निकल जाने के बाद में इट विल बी हैविंग अ स्मूदर राइड, एटलीस्ट बेस्ड ऑन द चार्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन। So last के one or two more questions, then let's get wrap this out. Last के two questions, please. Let's have last two questions. I will take one from the chat window and one. So Indian hotels. Sumit, who has asked this? I think Sumit. Indian hotels is pretty good on the long-term charts. Indian hotels is on a verge of a fresh breakout. If we see on a weekly chart, it is showing a very nice recovery. बहुत ही पुल बैक देखो 21 पीरियड मूविंग एवरेज से वहीं से पुल बैक लेके आया है। इट लुक्स गुड, प्रेटी गुड, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर प्राइस वाइज, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर। इट्स डेफिनेटली going to blast in the days to come. Very strong chart. One final question, please. Mr. Parth is asking for Larsen and Toubro. So let's see. Larsen and Toubro का भी multi-year breakout है. I posted it sometime back. This shall be our last question for Larsen from Mr. Parth. हाँ, so इसका बहुत ही अच्छा वीकली क्लोज हुआ है। It's pretty much on the way to, it's a multi-year breakout I told earlier also. तो बहुत ही अच्छा ब्रेकआउट है। It's going to continue its journey. अगर pull back पे कहीं भी if you get something within this range, it's the best chance to accumulate. So I think let's wrap this up for today. Maybe if at all कुछ questions रहते हैं तो we will definitely conduct these sort of connects going forward. हर Friday को रात को 9-10 बजे के करीब जब भी time मिलता है for half an hour, 40 minutes. Hope it adds some value. So please share your feedback on the Twitter if at all it adds value to your, or it helps you in one way or other way. So next week मिलते हैं Monday, Friday को मिलते हैं इसी time पे. I will share that link. We will catch up next Friday.
Sinclair Hotel, sir.
What is that?
Sinclair Hotel. Sinclair Hotel.
So let's put it as a last question. Actually,
Sinclair Hotel, sir.
Yeah. Just give me a sec. It's again having a very much supply zone on a long-term charts. It is going to test your patience if at all you are already holding in this thing. It's a very much spread out till the close above 90 or 100 happens. It will be a kind of a not very smooth ride. It will test your patience a lot based on the charts. These are the long-term charts. It will definitely test your patience. So thanks a lot for everybody to, spare out their time and raise your queries. Once again, happy festivities. Thanks for joining this session. We will have these more frequent sessions on Fridays in the coming days, where all of your queries I will try to, resolve or answer based on whatever charts are telling. Thank you so much. Good night. Have a wonderful weekend. Thanks.